Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Jumi. If you want to see how I made this beautiful hairstyle, crochet hairstyle, please stay tuned to the end of this video to get all the teas. And mind you, this is the first time I'm making this crochet hairstyle on myself, so stick along to see how I made it. I got this off Amazon and it is really good, really tiny and slim, just like the way I want it. I do have a video of how I texturized my natural hair to make it softer. You might want to see that video after seeing this. So I'll put the link in the description or I'll just link it up there for you to see. Okay, so now I'm just parting my hair. To crochet your hair, you just need to cornrow your hair basically. But for this, I just want an illusion to look like I did it individually. So I'm doing the braids one after the other at the back. I'll do that at the side and I'll also do that at the front. So the middle is what I will cornrow. For days that you're not feeling like it, you can just make your hair, you can just curl your hair to the back and just fix it, but you won't be able to do different styles. You'll be limited with the styles you can pack your hair with. But with this technique, you can actually pack various styles. Okay, this is the gel I'm using, Shine and Jam. It is really good to braid. You know, it doesn't make your hair flake. It's non-flaky, and also it helps to pat your hair neatly. And by the way, this is not a paid advert, but I really love Shine and Jam, so you could also consider getting it. Okay, so this is how I make my braids easily. One thing I realized with making my hair by myself is that it makes me to be able to take care of my hair the way I want. Unlike when I go to the braider shop and they pull the hair, and sometimes different people, but by yourself, okay, this is your hair struggle, you are able to maintain it and handle it the way you want. It takes time, but yeah, I think it is worth it in the long run. Okay, so for crochet installation, it takes two parts. It is divided into two parts basically. The part where you get to braid your real hair, then the part of installation. So what I'm doing is just the braiding part. If this is done really well, you don't have any issue installing at all. The installation doesn't even take time at all, but the braiding part might actually take more time than installing it. Okay, so you have to take your time to do this. So if I was not making this video, if I was just making this hair as part of my hair care day or whatever it is, I'll probably be catching up on some movies doing this. But because I'm making this video, I can't do that. So it's another way for you to relax. If you ask me, you can just chill on your couch or something and just have a movie playing while you're making your hair. And before you know it, you're done. So that is one hint you should know if you want to make your hair. Don't just sit down. It will stress you out. But when you chill with something, maybe with a drink or something, and then you're watching movie while making your hair, you get to relax and you get to pamper yourself. Okay, so I hope you will try it. I hope it works anyway. So at this point, I'm already braiding the front part of the hair, and I'm already loving it already because I can see what it's looking like, what it's going to look like. So I'm finally done with the cornrows, and now start installing. So to install a crochet, it is pretty easy. You hook the loop of the crochet to the hook, then you close and drag it in. I don't know if that is clear, but I'll show you again. When you're trying to pull it out, make sure it is closed. The hook of the pin is closed, and then you tighten it in. Pretty much easy. Okay, here we go again. Pull it out, then put the pin in again and take the tip of the other part of the hair, close up the hook, and then pull it out through the hole on the crochet, the hook, the loop rather, and just pull it out. It's pretty much easier. On your first attempt, it might be so difficult doing it, but subsequently when you do the second, third, you become an expert already. It is pretty much easy. The process of installing doesn't take time at all. Like, it doesn't take time at all. At this point, I was already feeling excited with the outcome. My hobby was in the background hyping me up. I wasn't even having this time. I just wanted to be done with the hair. But it was really good doing this on myself. I hope you try it too. Please, if you've watched to those points and you haven't subscribed or you haven't liked this video, please give it a thumbs up so I'll know that you enjoy content like this and I'll be able to give more. Thank you so much for coming on this ride with me, for watching till this point. Now I'm just using my mousse. I don't know what the mousse is for at this point, but I'm just applying it. Okay, maybe to add that extra shine and Thank you all for watching. Till I come your way next time. Bye.